In this problem, you've been given a circle equation, but it's not in the form that we like. We're searching for it to be in the form of x minus a squared plus y minus b squared equals r squared. So we're going to have to complete the square. The first thing I'll do is I'll reorder the x squared minus 6x, and I'm going to leave a blank for that perfect number that completes the square, plus y squared plus 10y plus a blank, and I'm going to subtract, or I'm going to add this 2 on both sides so that we're all equal to 2. So the perfect number that's here is going to be half of 6. So negative 6 divided by 2 squared is going to make this a 9. So we add 9 to the other side. And negative 6 divided by 2 is really 3. Well, that means that I can rewrite what you see here as x minus 3 quantity squared. Those two things are equivalent. Same procedure here. Half of 10 is 5. So I'm going to have y plus 5 quantity squared. And that 5 squared is 25. Well, I add that 25 to both sides. So now I know the center is at 3, negative 5. So we're looking at 3, negative 5 for our center. The last thing is adding all these up. 11 and 25 is 36. And r squared equals 36. So r equals 6. So now I know my radius is 6. And I've got this all done.